about our range of products for the beading industry. We are an all LED company, so everything you see here lasts for about 50,000 hours. It mimics true daylight, so the color you see is true to color, and it also never gets hot. So it could be on all day, it's never hot to touch. This here is our slimline floor. If you want to pan over and see the base here, it's got a double gooseneck, so you're able to maneuver the light and put it to any situation you're working at. This also rotates 360 degrees, so you're able to point the light exactly where you're working. We have the slimline floor in a table version as well, with a clamp right over here. The slimline floor retails for $240, and the slimline table retails for $190. Moving on over, we have our smart travel lamp. It's a rechargeable battery. On its highest setting, it lasts for about 2.5 to 3 hours. On its lowest setting, just by holding this button down here, you can dim it down, and it lasts for about 10 hours. It's nice and easy to pack up and go, throw in your tote bag for any classes or retreats. And this one here is MSRP of $60. And then we have our D40, brand new on the market. We have our tabletop setting, also nice and flexible, so you can rotate the light right where you need it. And it's got 6 different light settings. This is at its brightest. Then by zooming in here, you can actually dim down the light to 5 different settings. Pack up, take with you to go as well. Nice and easy to throw in a tote bag. And this one here retails for $120. Moving on to our Luminous. This is the big bad guy. I call it our sun. It's nice and bright with overhead light. What's really awesome about this product here is it never gives off any heat. So it can be right on top of you. It's never going to make you feel uncomfortable. Everything is self-adjusting, so there's no pins and there's no twists. So you can maneuver the light and put it where you'd like it. Also 3 different brightness settings. Just by tapping the top here, you can arrange the light. This one here is ideal for multiple surfaces or a really long table because it does rotate 360 degrees. And then it does have a reach of 55 inches. So you can go from one side of the table to another, or from table to table. This one retails for $375. Moving on to our magnifiers. This guy here is our Halo. It's got a 2.25 times magnifier with a little insert of 5 times magnification. This plastic lens is also, it also rotates, so you're able to point the magnification where you need it. 3 different brightness settings, and also rotates. So if you wanted to use it primarily as a light, you can, or you can flip it on up and see everything nice and detailed. This one here, MSRP of $80. Also packs up nice and easy to take with you to go. And our last magnifier here is our Magnificent. This is actually the same product shown at 2 different levels. It's a 3-in-1, so it can go from the floor stand, break down into 3 different parts, to a tabletop. So you can maneuver the magnifier right from your floor, working at a chair, or you can bring it right up on your table and use it like that. There's no wires in these cords. All the electricity is through the cord, or through the. So all the power is through this stand here. This is a really great magnifier just because of its large lens. It is a 1.75 times magnification. Let's see how pretty and detailed it looks here. And this gooseneck here is nice and flexible. I'm going to turn the light off so it's not too alarming for anyone. But you can move it and place it exactly where you need it. And it's never something you have to revisit because of its stripping. It's a nice strong neck. And once again, you can primarily use it as a light if you don't need the magnification. And that's it.